How to set up Verizon 5G home internet. Welcome to Tekzoid. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up Verizon 5G home internet step by step with no technician required. What's in the box? You'll typically find Verizon 5G home gateway, power adapter, quick start guide, optional Ethernet cable. Place everything near a window or exterior wall for better 5G signal. Step 1. Plug in the gateway. Connect the power cable. Plug into a wall outlet. Wait for the lights to turn solid white. A solid white light means the gateway is connected and ready. Step 2. Download the My Verizon app. Search My Verizon in the App Store or Google Play. Sign in or create your Verizon ID. Depending on your model, the app may ask you to scan a QR code or confirm your order number. Just follow the prompts. The app will guide you through activation. Step 3. Find the best placement. Use Verizon's 5G compass tool in the app. Move the gateway near a window facing outdoors. Upstairs windows usually give better speeds. Avoid thick walls, cabinets, or corners. Good placement equals stronger speeds and fewer dropouts. Step 4. Customize your Wi-Fi. Rename your Wi-Fi network. Create a strong password. Save your settings in the app. Now connect your phone, laptop, TV, and other devices. Step 5. Run a quick speed test. Check download and upload speeds. Moving the gateway. If speeds look weak, the app helps troubleshoot signal issues. You're online. Using the My Verizon app, you can monitor signal strength, manage connected devices, update settings, troubleshoot if needed. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Verizon 5G home internet is fast, wireless, and easy to install. No technician, no cables. Already using it or planning to try it? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech setup guides from Tekzoid.